entrance at the beautiful lake of Las Vegas. So hello there, friends. I decided to stop by for a glass of wine here at Mimi Bistro. It's an Italian restaurant. I may have a small bite just out of courtesy, but this is probably just one of two places that are open out here at the moment. Everywhere else is dead quiet. So, before I take a sip, you get a first sip. Cheers. I remember years back when this area first opened. I cannot recall the exact year. I didn't research it before I got here, which I normally do, just to be up to date and the proper information. But anytime you hit this spot here, it was the happening spot. And of course, we're in the cocoa time, where everything is really, and the everything basically fizzled. And of course, this location is no different. But it's a beautiful location nonetheless. So I decided to take the time out. Let's see what the actual temperature is at this time. There's background music, so I'll have to figure out a way to drown it out later on in my editing. But right now the temperature dropped to about 104 degrees. So not bad, not bad. It was breezy a little bit earlier. The breeze at the wind had stopped a little bit. And now I can feel the humidity because of the duration that I'm now sitting in. When I first came on the deck, it was windy, and of course I was moving. But since sitting, it's really humid. But here I am, live in Las Vegas. I'm gonna check the menu out. Mimi's. To be correct, it's Mimi and Coco. Let's see what's on. Okay, that's the wine list. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to try the grilled octopus. Oh, I feel like reaching for the tentacles. So here I am, but we'll try the grilled octopus. All right, my friends, thanks for coming along with me. I hope you like the view of what you see on my way coming into the actual property. And again, thanks for joining me. That's the bird presentation. So my friends, this is the grilled octopus. Got a few flies buzzing around, but of course it's nature. We're on the outside, and I would not trade it for anything, even with the flies. So I'm gonna dig into this grilled octopus, and I'll let you know what it's like. All right. Okay, let's use a serrated edge. Actually pretty good. Comes with a bit of a regular. Perfect for an afternoon snack, or an evening snack for that matter. Really good and tender. My friends, I have lost my manners again. This is perhaps the second video in a row that I've done so. So, here, have a bite. Did I say it was delicious? It is. Nice and tender. Grilled octopus. friends, you don't have to go very far to find beauty in Las Vegas. Of course, many places are closed at this point because of the COVID thing. But it's a beautiful place to visit, nonetheless. And will be when things are back to normal. So, thanks for coming along with me. So, my friends, my snack was really good. It goes very well with my Pinot Grigio. The octopus was very, very tender. It did meet my expectation. What can I say? I know I'm picky, but this one hit the spot. I actually feel good coming out here. I felt I've contributed to what I would call the survival of a business like this. So it made my day. Like I said, the place is empty. I know I've repeated myself over and over again, but it is a fact. Nevertheless, it was a good outing. I'm glad I came by. So my friends, thank you so much for joining me. Let me show you my plate. I didn't clean it all up, by the way, because there are potatoes on there. And you know me when it comes to potatoes. Let's take a look down here. This is it. Oh, you know something? I will not disappoint you. I'm gonna get rid of my last two tentacles. Done. Let's do some more vegetables. Some more regular. It's healthy. That's it, my friends. So, my friends, before I go, I must also mention, or just update what I said earlier. Wasn't quite sure exactly when this property, when this area was built. Started out in 2003. It did fall in some hard times. I think 2007, 2008, during the financial market crash. This area also suffered. But after the financial market, after the market rebound, this area started rebuilding and has been growing steady ever since. It's worth a note that this area is also the home to Celine Dion, one of our favorites, and many, many more. But that's for sure the only one I know that have a resident here in this location. So I hope you enjoy the view. My friends, until next time, this is your Jamaican on the Move. One love. Peace. Cheers. Thanks for coming along with me.